Good? Day 3. Off to a very weird start. So we're on this tour for the day and we're just kind of driving around. We're supposed to go on like a safari into like one of the national parks, and I'm not really sure what's going on. We're just kind of going for the ride. The thing seems very rushed. I thought that was like a very leisurely one thing to the next. Very flat out. No, it's kind of like, oh, here's waterfall. Take about 15 minutes, take some photos, and then we gotta go.
I thought we were gonna actually like get to swim here and enjoy. And... Yeah, no.
It will be like at the end of the tour as well. Like you do this like big old rafting thing, and at the end of it, you're here. But now we're starting off with it.
Yeah.
Interesting. And wherever we are, we're 2 hours out from where we're staying, so.
Like we should have a lot.
Yeah, we're just kind of going for the ride now. We don't have a choice. On a random river in Thailand, on a bamboo raft. Ah, that's good stuff. This is really nice, I'm not gonna lie. I wonder if our skipper has bad Jungle Cruise jokes. Oh wow! Wow, that is cool.
This is fun.
Disneyland, eat your heart out. Swing? You gonna swing?
Hopefully I don't face plant.
Yeah, don't face plant. Hold on. Upper body strength.
Which you know I don't have.
Upper body strength.
Ready?
Or, you want to hold it like this? It's like a pull-up. Okay.
What am I doing? Okay, fine.
Try landing. Swinging from a tree in Thailand. Take one? Sure.
Take one.
Adventure is out there. I didn't want to let go.
Let go.
I don't want to let go. Hold on. Okay. I didn't have an excuse. Hold on. You see what happened was, I was judging it, and by the time it was time to let go, it was too late. Yeah, I was already coming back. I was like, oh damn.
All right, take two.
Take two. Adventure is out there.
There you go. And let go.
Feet up. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, a snake. Did you see that? Oh, wow.
Can I just say how sexy your fucking bathing suit is? From the back.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I guess this is our stop.
After wrapped lunch, pretty good. Got the curry, some white rice, fruit, fish, French fries. Daisy loves fruit, as we all know. Due to my recent discovery of a pineapple allergy, I can't have any of this because I'm not sure if it's going to kill me. So Daisy's going to have fun. Ask if you try some samples or buy samples. That. Mango? No.
Okay. Eat.
What? Yeah. What?
นี่อันแดงแล้วปาจาเช่นี่อันนี้แดงเลยได้แล้ว
Chạy cầm bút ơi là đây miêu.
ฮะแดงอ่ะ
Squid or octopus?
They said squid.
Okay. I think squid because it has like a top long head. But the
Yeah.
octopuses do too, I think.
Yeah.
Like the suction cups.
Yeah. All there.
Yeah, they're all there.
Just
Just
go
go
for it,
it in there.
The whole thing, or take a
Take a bite. Try a bite, see how it goes.
chewy?
Chewy.
A little spicy.
A little. That got some kick. Ooh. $50. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, last stop of the tour. Thank God. Kind of ready for this to be over.
Yeah, me too.
But it's actually a cool spot. So this is the Monkey Temple. Before we get into how cool that place is, we skipped out on the elephant trekking. So when I initially booked this tour, I thought it was like one spot in the national park where you set up shop and then you do a bamboo raft to a certain area where there's a small amount of elephant trekking. I was like, not fantastically crazy about it, but okay. In actuality, this whole tour has been driving from spot to spot to spot to spot, and it's pretty awful.
It is.
And worst off, The elephant trekking park was like an actual elephant park. They had like a little baby elephant dance, and it was sad. It was horribly sad. Needless to say, we did not contribute any tip money. We didn't entertain the notion of being there. Awful place.
Yeah.
I feel horrible that I contributed money to this tour overall that then contributes to that operation. So that super sucks and I feel bad about it, but at least we didn't participate in the actual activity. So all the more reason to check out Elephant Jungle Sanctuary when you come to Phuket instead of anything other than that. Go to a sanctuary. Don't do anything elephant trekking. If there's riding involved,
Don't do it.
more than likely they're not treated the best. So just don't even do it. Just stick to a sanctuary.
Yeah.
With that said, let's find some monkeys. Bats just coming in and out of it. Yeah. Batman. Same thing. Crazy. Yeah, that's a bat cave. Monkey temple.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Yeah.
The cave aspect is really nice. There's a limestone, everything just carved into it. It's beautiful.
Felt like Indiana Jones.
Yeah, Daisy said it was very Indiana Jones. I totally agree.
Yeah.
I was playing the theme song in my head, I'm not gonna lie. Bamboo rafting was cool.
Yeah.
Monkey temple was cool. Elephant trekking, not cool. What was the first thing we did? I don't remember. It wasn't even worth remembering.
Yeah, I know.
Bamboo rafting, monkey temple.
Yeah.
Everything else, forgettable. Do your research.